Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. We all are knowing the full story of Raja Raghuvamshi, Sonam, and what is going on now. That also, everything we just read in the news or watch on the media, whatever it is. Now, I'm not talking anything about that. But now I want to tell you, or all of us should understand one thing. No doubt, Sonam was crooked, everything, that is, you leave it aside. Now, whether in this age, that is today's age, whether we should be so simple and so straightforward, believing in anyone just like Raja. No. I think Raja had the places to suspect her. Every time she used to take her phone and go far away and speak all the time, when she was undergoing all these things, whether he never suspected her, what she was talking or whom she was talking. See, when we are becoming the partners, I feel that it is our responsibility to know about each other. Yes, we should know. As I used to know all the friends of my husband, he too used to know my friends. So, I think when they have married, and she goes far away and speaks on phone to someone, and that too not once or twice. How many times? Even on the media we have watched it. Why he kept quiet? He should have asked, no? To whom you are talking? What is the matter? He should have asked. He never asked. He just followed her, he just agreed to what she said. I think that at least today you are knowing everybody is smart. And we are looking so many things around us. So let it be girl or boy. We should not be simpletons. In olden days it was okay. At that time how the people were. But the people never behave like this. Whatever the wife used to behave, have her friends or relatives, husband used to know. Whoever are husband's friends or relatives, even wife used to know. So what was the reason for Sonam every time go far away and speak on the phone? Why he had not suspected it? Or why didn't he ask, to whom you are speaking? Let me know, let me speak. If you are speaking to your friends, let it be. Introduce me also, I too will speak to them. So, see, now Raja is not there, whatever happened has happened. But again, no one should lose his or her life in this way. And all people are not like Sonam, that also I will tell you. All are not like Sonam. There are only few, very few. But who knows, by chance, if anyone meets such a person, we should have a keen look at him or her. Once or twice it is okay, but all the times, even at night, She used to speak to him so many times, more than 100 calls. I don't know why he kept quiet. If I would have been in his place, I would have asked, to whom you are speaking, what is the matter? If you want any help, I will help you. So now, all the girls and boys, I am speaking to you. Don't be so simple and so straightforward like Raja. Don't trust anyone just blindly. No doubt, when we start living together, we understand one another, we trust. It happens, it is okay. But when we others, outsiders, suspect her behavior, why being a husband he kept quiet? Why whatever she planned he followed her? That too being a newly married man. He too had his own likes, dislikes, everything. No? So we should not be like that. We should be very, very careful. Not only in relationship, even in the office, even when you go outside, it happens. There are so many people who behave like this and take advantage of us. They may take financial advantage, they may take advantage of your emotions, or many other things which I don't like to speak in the open. So they may cheat you in different ways. So we should be little bit smart. Little bit smart in the sense, I am not telling suspect everyone. As I told you, there are so many good people in this life. On this earth, we are having so many people whom we haven't seen, met. Like that type of people also, they behave so nicely with us. Once I will tell you, it was about, I think, 20 years back or more than that. At that time, mobile phones were very new, very few were having. In our house, we were having the landline at that time. I was coming from Pune to my native place. I had been there because I was working as the chief moderator for higher English. I had told you for 10th standard. So after the meeting, I was coming back, and it was about 11:30 might be. And the bus that day, it was late. And I was not having mobile in those days. The boy who was sitting next to me, he was from Bombay but working in Sangli in BSNL department. He was having a mobile. I asked him, just will you lend me for a minute? Just I want to tell my husband that the bus has reached Sangli, because Sangli Mir is only 6 kilometers. Within half an hour, the bus will reach there. By the time it reaches Miraj bus stand, my husband will come there with the vehicle to take me home. Immediately, he gave me his mobile. I rang to my husband that we have reached Sangli, so you can come to the Miraj bus stand. We will be reaching soon, and I returned. See, I was not knowing who was that boy. I was not knowing his name, nothing. Means what I tell is, there are so many good people in this world whom we trust, or they too will trust us. But when you find any suspicious activities, how Sonam used to do, how she took all the gold and everything. Otherwise, while going for the trip and all, whether we carry gold and all, he should have told her, no, we are going for the trip, why to carry gold and all. So for each and everything, unless and until you trust that person 100%. As I told you, as the year pass on, as we start living together, you will 100% trust, then it is okay. Otherwise, newly married, That too within a few days. And when she is having so many things where even we outsiders suspect her, at that time, Raja, I think that he was so simple, so straightforward. He believed her, he trusted her. I feel that now no one should be like Raja. So simple, trusting everyone, because who knows how the things may turn. That's why again and again I am telling you, all are not like Sonam. But who knows? Whom we meet might be the person of that type. That is why immediately, without understanding, don't trust anyone 100%. Because many times it happens. We trust someone and you are knowing the things happen. Very recently, I will tell you, while a lady was traveling from Pune to Kolhapur, she met another lady. She was crying that she is having no one. Her children, everyone has put her out of the house. She wants some work, this and that. This lady, a nice Gujarati lady, she told, okay, doesn't matter, I will look after you. You come to my house, you do the household work. I will give you a room, separate room was given to her, and this lady started working there. 8 to 10 days she had worked, and she was working well. No complaint for the owner. The lady went to the temple leaving this lady. When she came back, this lady was not there. She had taken all the gold, money, everything from the house and fled somewhere. That is why I am telling you, it is not only in such condition, in any condition, unless and until we test them properly, we should not trust anyone. So, we should not be so simple like Raja Raghuvamshi. Have a good day. What is your opinion? Just let me know about it. Have a good day.